Well, hello, active traders. This is Ken Calhoun from TradeMastery.com in our live trading room looking at today's pre-market watch list. First up, we always look at our spiders to see the market bias. It is a sideways choppy bias. Market doesn't look to be doing a whole heck of a lot of anything today. So let's take a look at some charts that have done especially well in spite of that and are poised for moves in our current market. I'm going to start off with APHA. I like it because it's a minor gap continuation. This is my number one favorite chart in the whole stock market. And again, this is being brought to you by my live room at www.tradingtheopen.com. I do urge you to give it a try. You'll see why so many thousands of folks have joined over the last 20 years I've run the room here at tradingtheopen.com. As always, all information is for educational use only. I'm not making advice about what to buy, sell, or hold. This is all for educational use. Anyways, take a look at this. APHA looks good. I'm going to be buying some myself if it takes out new highs. Next up to bat, BLNK. And I like this because it had a nice run from 3 to 4 yesterday. So 310 to 410 may make for another breakout today. KNDI was one I was looking to trade yesterday. This guy ran all the way from 6 to just under 9. So a spectacular 3-point run. Kind of choppy after the early part of the morning here, so kind of tough to trade later in the day. But the first initial move was really spectacular early in the morning. Anyway, we'll see if KNDI continues up. Next up, we've got US Steel X, and the reason I like this is because it also has a minor gap up. Those are always my favorite chart patterns that I like to trade the most, or small gaps that continue on days following previous days' uptrends. Next up, IMDZ. This looks like a buyout, so I don't know that this is going to go anywhere, but that did do a gap up. That's kind of like the poker tell for, and again, I have no idea. I should probably check before doing this broadcast today, but whenever you see a gap that gaps spectacularly and then just goes sideways, that's usually a buyout or tender offer type of gap. And last for our equities, PCG. Didn't do a whole lot yesterday. It had a just okay range, but I like the fact that it's gapped up here today as well. For the land of ETFs, it's all been about gold lately, and the two that I was trading yesterday was JNUG. It's gapping down today, so gold is selling off and giving back some of its earlier gains today. JNUG on the downside down here at 1260. I'll be buying it if it comes back into the previous day's range. The other one I was trading yesterday aggressively was Dust, and the reason was because it had such a nice big move up and down, looking for a bounce here. Went all the way from just under 16 to just under 17, and it's gapping up. So this is an especially good one. So my three favorite charts of the whole day would be Dust, X, US Steel, and APHA. So that's the Reader's Digest version. Hope that y'all have a outstanding trading day ahead. And again, if you're not yet a member of tradingtheopen.com, I urge you to join. Look over my shoulders. I make live real money trades in our markets every single day, 5 days a week. We meet from 9 a.m. till 10:30. Often we go later, but at least we go 9 a.m. until 10:30. So that's the best prime time to trade the markets. And I'm president of the original Day Trading University.com and Trade Mastery. So do be sure to join me at Trading the Open, and best wishes for successful trading. Goodbye for now.